car loans, we've got student loans, we've got mortgages we want. We've got all these things that are tied to rates. How important is that story?
Well, in that context, interest rates is the most important input. And as you said, we are
in the economy right now.
Yes, we are a credit
more than
dependent,
trade.
Yes,
more than tariffs.
The most
more than
important
Trump.
factor, by far the most important thing. We are a credit dependent, debt dependent economy, as you mentioned, where the cost of money is the driver, both in terms of consumer spending decisions, but also corporate spending decisions.
It's really the combination of rising mortgage rates and overheated home prices that have slammed affordability. Take a look at rising home prices in the past 2 years, passing the last price peak from the housing boom, all because of the supply shortage. Now the price gains are starting to shrink, but that was before rates jumped. Affordability had already been hitting a wall. Rising rates will now put even more pressure on prices, as 5% is the new normal on the 30-year fixed. Fall home buyers are getting a bonus. The sell-off in the stock market is causing an unexpected turnaround in mortgage rates. The average rate on the 30-year fixed fell throughout much of the summer, but then made a sharp jump back up in September. Now rates are headed back down again. We're down more than 10 basis points just since last Friday. So you're already talking about a savings about $25 on the monthly payment on a $300,000 loan. More importantly, though, we are now down well over a full percentage point from a year ago, about 1.25. So that's about $225 less on a monthly payment for that same $300,000 mortgage. That is real money. Now, lower rates are clearly boosting the builders. We saw a nice beat on new orders from Lennar, and Chairman Stuart Miller pointed squarely to lower interest rates as the driver, saying it repeatedly during the analyst call. He also said that despite all the talk of recession, lower rates for now are outweighing those concerns among buyers. Home prices are still gaining, but the gains are much smaller than they were a year ago. The only thing standing in the way of an even stronger housing market right now is still a very low supply of affordable homes for sale.